Not just fishing related. That's a good...
Life.
This is a life. There you go. You think you can get that hook out?
I think so. Since you want to talk, you can do your thing, boss.
Well, actually, I'm
I work as a family advocate, so I help get referrals and help victims of domestic violence transition out of their abuse into their next phase in life.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. And I work out. I'm a huge gym rat, and there is somebody freaking out.
We got another little one over there.
Little baby season. But yeah, I enjoy what I do.
That's good. And you went to college.
I did. I went to U of L.
U of L, University of Louisville, for those of you not in state.
Yes, Louisville.
Louisville. Come on,
Louisville.
guys. It's not Louisville.
Louisville. Just Louisville.
That's what I said.
Well, because, you know, people will be trying to make up all these other syllables, and no, it's just Louisville. It's like you're drinking bourbon, and you're drunk all the time. Louisville.
Yeah, you gotta slur it out.
But I'm going back to Louisville for my master's in actually a week.
That's good. I saw that on something you posted.
You got another little one. Yeah. Another channel.
Those are my best friends, as you can tell.
Something swirled out there.
Oh, cool. There's something down there.
You see something? Feel something?
Yeah, down there. Look,
This is the side.
I feel it.
A good little hole over here. But we are fishing. Oh, it's moving the whole line.
Well,
Careful.
I'm gonna go low.
Oops. Oh, there he is. He's a monster.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit, man.
Hold on. Be careful. Hold on. He could run straight down.
Do you
So,
see him?
yeah.
Oh, my God.
It's the bigger one that Mikey's ever caught.
This is exciting.
And remember, you want to pull that net in from the other side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. You gotta help me.
No, you got this.
This is intense.
Alright, the net from the other side. And
Oh,
try,
okay. It's time to pull down.
try to get his face in it. When he comes up, hold on, just let him do what he's doing.
Oh, my God.
He's not that strong. Hold on. He'll come, he's gonna come up front. He'll come up one more time. Yeah, head.
Oh, shit.
Alright, hold on.
Oh, my God.
Head.
Head.
Get his head.
I'm gonna try this new lens out. I got a zoom in lens, a little bit more stock.
So they started complaining about not talking about the point.
I mean, not complaining. It's just like, hey, you have a lot of interesting people on there, and yes, we do talk a lot.
I do. I talk a lot. I thought y'all would know me by now. I talk too much.
But see, I am the editor, and sometimes it's like I don't know if it's okay to leave this or that in. So because I'm asking you point blank, what would you like to say personally on the channel? I think it would be okay.
Yeah.
Occasionally, I'll leave like a little Easter egg.
Yeah. Are you good with me dropping it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Now, I lived over in Germany for 2.5 years, and I saw 21 countries. It's this tattoo. See, I do pay attention to comments. This is why I have this tattoo right here.
It's a comment that somebody made.
Yes, I'm answering a comment right now. So this tattoo right here, I actually don't have servos, which is the Bayan way of saying hello.
That was a joke, by the way. So.
It's okay, we got you. So basically, all of this is how you say hello
comment.
in the country that I've been to. I forgot servos, like I was saying, because in Bavaria, which is Bayan, they say servos. So it's not hello, but servos. I forgot that. But that's the last country I left, so it'll be okay.
Gotcha.
So yes, that answered that one question. There you go.
All right, we know a little bit more. We'll save some more personal information for next time. Here we are. Again, I have a feeling I need to take these fish out of this net. No matter what, we got, I don't know, at least 5 pounds back here.
Yeah. I'm starting to get there.
Oh. But last video, we got some big ones on this line.
Good for y'all. It's always a good thing.
And I hope.
Oh, there's something right there.
You got something early. Actually, I'm gonna let you.
Use the net here. And I'm going to stand up and record on occasion.
See what we found? Here, let me turn around. Because, you know, you've lectured me plenty of times.
Well, I mean, I'm known to break those rules too. It's a flathead. We want that one.
Look how pretty.
Careful. He is.
He's not too big, though.
He's ready to come off.
Yeah, he is.
It's a big old net for that little fish, but
That's okay. I'm like a little fish in a big net. It's my personality.
that's right. A little fish in a big net.